Hello, boys and girls. As you know, I am Ms. Vilma Rivera, your Precalculus teacher from 11th grade here in the Crowley International School. Today, we're going to solve some of the trigonometric equations that we already did in class. So today, the example I have is this one. So the first thing we have to know is our identities. As you all know, cosecant of theta is equal to 1 sine of theta. Then we just do the replacement, as you know, so it will be 3 divided by sine of x. In this case, theta is equal to x minus sine x equals to 2. Also, we need to make sure that the answer we're going to find will be within the interval already stated, which is between 0 and 2 pi. Well, once we do the replacement, we just try to simplify. We find common denominator, and we work as a normal fraction. As I have it right here. Okay, once we do this, we just move the sine x in the denominator to the other side. And so first of all, we're going to be able to get rid of the denominators, and second of all, it will be changed into a polynomial function with trigonometric expressions. Okay, once we do this, we equal it to 0 as we normally do, and we arrange the problem also. Okay, and at the end, what we're gonna have is just a simple trinomial. Okay, as I have it right here, as you can see. Once we do this, okay, we start factorizing. This is one of the problems in which you are able to factorize. Okay, so I'm going to rewrite the problem again in a factor form in the way that you are able to understand that what we have is a trinomial. As I have it right here. Once we do this, as you can see, the first term, which has a graded exponent, it's negative. We can't have that, so we multiply by -1, and it becomes a positive first main term, and of course, everything on the polynomial or on the equation changes to its opposite sign, as I show you here. Once we do this, well, we try to factorize, okay? So, we look for two factors that if we multiply them, give us -3, and when we add them, we obtain +2. So those factors, and we also factorize sine squared. So it'll be sine of theta, or x, and 3, we factorize this as 3 and 1. Those are the factors that we know that if we add them, we will be able to obtain +2. Okay, so I already factorized the equation. Okay, once we have this, we just equal each one to 0 as any polynomial equation, and we solve. Okay, as this. As you remember, when we were in school, in class, we used to have our unit circle. So what do we have to do in this case? Any of these answers must be within the unit circle. So you have to go into the unit circle and find for the answer, because in trigonometric equations, we do not give this as a final answer. Trigonometric equations, their answers should be angles. So the correct answer here will be x equals to pi half. Where does this pi half come from? It comes from the unit circle, in which sine of 1 is equal to pi over 2. Why don't we take negative 3? Because negative 3 is a negative value. It's not allowed within the trigonometric equations because it passes the values of 2 pi. Okay, guys, so for practice, I would like for you guys to do some exercises from your textbook, page 265. Exercises 1 through 4. And for the next class, we are going to discuss them. Thank you for your attention. Bye, guys. Have a nice day.